Alright folks, welcome back to another adventure. So we're going through some of the old footage and trying to make it a little better and give y'all something to view for a while. We are in the process of looking for some locations, so I'm not going to go too far into that right now. But we are looking for some new locations, and we are pulling some of the best videos from YouTube and re-editing them and putting them back online. So without further ado, we're going to go back in time and explore Old Car City, USA. Huge place, lots of cars. I suggest y'all like, comment, subscribe, check it out. Should be good. So without further ado, let's get into it and go for a little explore for some old cars. Excuse me. This place is pretty neat. More interested in what's outside though. Everybody's selling that car. Cool. Oh, a bunch of bicycles. Huh. What in the ever-living hell is that? Wow. An oversized car. That's pretty cool. I really want to find the car that I saw online. What was it? 58 Plymouth Fury. God, there's so many cars. This video is probably going to be pretty long, guys. Look at this old thing over here. I want to hit the trails though, because I want to see what's deep in the woods. So we're about to find out. Where's the trails go? I guess I can go back here. Alright. Figure out which way I'm going first. No, they go the other way. Okay. Look at that old car. Full of cans. Old Ford Maverick right there. Look at these old tags. I used to have some of these. That's a collector's item. It's no Impala. They got cars everywhere. God. They're everywhere. Wow, look at this old Mack truck. That's pretty dang cool right there. I got so much stuff to explore. Yeah, I even got like an old airplane. But you can tell it ain't a real airplane. That was like built. Still pretty cool though. And this old beast right here, this thing probably runs. I bet it does. Because it's in good shape. I know y'all are thinking it ain't in good shape, but it really is. It's not all rusted out or anything. It's a 55 Cadillac. Dang, so many cars. So many cars. A couple old trucks. Old Chevrolets. Alright, now I'm going on the right track. I think. What is these damn trails? I'm walking through here, screw it. These old cars. Oh, it goes through there. Now I feel like an idiot. It's all good. Damn, my bus is old. Old Ford. Damn, that's a bunch of drive shafts. Hell, I could have come out here and got my drive shaft in my truck when it fell out. Alright. My God, there's so many cars. Old 70s Chevy tow truck over there, old snatch truck. That's a 1970 custom C30. Nice old truck. A lot of these cars out here could be redone. Or restored is what I should say. You're a redneck if flannel is your favorite color. Well, mine's not. I should have probably wore a different pair of shoes because these boots are not good for out here. What the hell was this crazy looking old building? This is weird. Huh. That's a strange shape. Oh, that kind of scared me there for a minute. Now just for y'all see what I'm talking about, they're doing like a haunted attraction thing tonight. So, all this creepy looking shit. God, so many cars. I drove a long way for this guy. Oh my God. So many cars back there. They're just piled on top of each other. Y'all might think I'm crazy about liking old wagon. Old wagons are cool. This old beast had a 454 big block in it. It's pretty awesome. There's a Plymouth Fury, but that's not the one I'm looking for. That's like a 60s. Big old pile of cars. Mostly Pintos and Beetles. A couple other little sardine cans. See an old square body Chevrolet. Love them old trucks. Damn, I see an abandoned house. Yep. Ooh, I want to check that out. There's so much to film out here. Oh my God. I'm in heaven. I'm just gonna film the car graveyard for now. Damn, I want to go film that abandoned house. But I've only got an hour and 30 minutes or so. So I'm kind of strapped for time. Old Car City, USA. This place is too cool. Now if I can just find that Fury, I need to find that Fury. The only reason I'm so obsessed about that car is it's my dream car. If he sold it to me right now with the roof crushed in, I'd buy it. So many cars. And now I know I'm kind of going through this fast, guys, but I have to. Because I want to get as much as I can. Every now and then if I see an interesting car, I'll stop and look inside of it, but I'm pretty much just running through this. It's fucking neat. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. Oh hell yeah, old Chevy van. Old diamond windows. Oh my God, that thing's been eat away. It's an old 70s. Old front end sagging. The old school bus is pretty neat. Oh my God, that's a lot of parts. This is like a scrapper's dream. But definitely would be a waste if somebody scrapped all this. Even though it's just junk taking up land. It's historical junk.
Old Camaro. Old Cutlass Supreme. We got a bunch of old cars in here. Bunch of old sweet looking rides. Old cars in my book are way better. Old Ford panel wagon. Panel van. Old Dodge van. Nope, that's a Ford too. Thought it was a Dodge. None of that's for sure a Chevrolet. Damn, somebody had a wreck in that sucker. Damn. It's no Chevy Nova. I mean, these cars are pretty stout, so they must have hit something hard. Nissan truck. I would love to own this place. Old service body truck. Old Ford. I want to go check out that old house bad. If I have enough time, I might try. Okay, I'm not going to go down that way because I don't see a car on, or a truck on top of a car. That's what I'm looking for. I do remember seeing this wagon online. This place is strange but cool. Motorhome. God, there's so many cars out here. Bunch of vans. Look at what time it is. Where in the hell is that car? Wow, these are some of the oldest. I think I'm close to being in the right area. I think. Yep, here's some old cars. It's an old Ford Ranchero. Old car truck. Is that a Vista Cruiser? It is. Trail. I can't walk all these trails today. That's a Cutlass Supreme. Well, that ain't very old. That's a 93. And that's about a 90, 91, 93. A couple old boats down there. So many old rides. many cars as they have out here. I have not seen one Plymouth Fury, the year model I'm looking for. It's kind of surprised me because I got everything out here. Oh, Oldsmobile. Oh, Ford. What is that back there? Oh, Dodge something. I'm in the right area for a Fury though. Hey. There's one right there. No, it's a Savoy. No, it's a Fury. This isn't the exact model that I would want. But oh my God, this is my dream car. I've always wanted to pull that door handle. Yeah, it's definitely not the same body style I would want. But it's almost the same car. I'd take one if I could get it. Come on, where are you, Fury? I want to see that car. I know there's a truck sitting on top of it, but I don't care. I still want to see it. These old cars are neat though. Glad I was finally able to come out here and let y'all check this out. Been wanting to do it for a while now. They have trails. It goes on for days. Hope I don't get lost back here. I think I'm gonna have enough time to film that abandoned house, and I'm gonna try to do it. Damn, where are you at, Plymouth Fury? It could be just deep in the woods. Or it could be that I've passed it. I don't know. But I had my eye out, so I don't see how I can walk past it and get away from me. Damn, that is a big car. That fucking car is huge. Excuse my French, I didn't mean to say that. Old Ford Country Squire wagon. I'm not much of a Ford person, but I do like the old wagons. I don't know if I'm going straight back to where I came from or if I'm going deeper in here. I know one thing, I'm about to have to stop and take a leak. Alright, so we got cars on top of cars out here, so... Come on, where's my Fury? Tell you what, I'd love to be out here at nighttime. Yeah, that's the exit over there. Where is this daggum car? I'll go back here and take a leak real quick. I don't have time to go back to the front and then come back out. Glad they have signs everywhere. Shows you how to get out of here. In and out. Am I really wanting to find that Fury? Where are you? I don't see it. Highly disappointed. So much area to cover in so little time. Try to get somebody to come with me. I was gonna split up. There's an old Vista Cruiser. That's a 60s though. Not the 70s like I like. But yeah, I tried to get somebody to come with me. I was gonna split up and get more coverage, but didn't work out like that. So I drove all the way up here by myself. And I'm kind of back on the trail I came in on. I'm sure y'all remember that monstrosity. I think I'm gonna try to go over here and get in this haunted house. Or not haunted house, abandoned house. This place is fucking awesome. Did I go this way? I don't think I did. So many cars. This was a huge junkyard. And this probably was a functioning junkyard back in the day. And now they've turned it into a museum. Which I'm glad they turned it into a museum instead of just doing away with it or letting it rot. Of course it is rotting, but at least people get to see it rot. It is neat whether you're interested in this or not. A Pinto wagon. And my boots. Keep making me twist my ankle. I haven't been back here. I'm gonna try back here for that Fury. And just so y'all know, this car that I'm looking for, a 1958 Plymouth Fury, it was the car that was featured on the movie Stephen King's Christine. If you haven't seen it, I suggest you watch it. It's a scary movie about a haunted car. I've watched the movie a million times ever since I was a kid. And it's always been my dream car. I've only seen one in person, and it was my buddy's dad's car, and he was restoring it. But I really would like to have one. I'd drive one even if it was a rusted out piece of shit. I'd fix it. I really want to see this car. Radio City. Damn, that's a lot of radios. Old radios too. Old radios. Old Volkswagen bus. Where is this car? Man. That looks like the truck that was off of the movie Rest Stop. Same color and everything. Bunch of old Chevy trucks. Well, this is one of the trails I didn't come down. Or extended cab Ford. Those are pretty rare now on the roads, at least. find this damn car. It's kind of annoying looking for it and can't find it. Video is definitely gonna be a long one, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. There's an old Plymouth Fury. Sure is. It's 4-door. Same body style as the one I found back there. So there's 2 of them out here. There's 3 of them out here. I just haven't found that 3rd one yet. That 3rd one's the one I'm looking for. And I'm about to just give up because I've really gone on long. I might just start taking pictures after the video, after I try to film that house up there. I'm really going to try to get up there. We'll see how that works for me. It ain't down there. I don't think it's back here either. Yeah, this says just trucks. Trucks and vans. Yep. Little Cadillac over there. Maybe it's back here. That's neat. There ought to be one out here. Oh, Cadillac, that looks creepy. I'd hate to have that sucker rolling up on me, walking down the dark road in the middle of the night. I'd hit the ditch. That'd scare the hell out of me. No. No Fury back here either. I tried my best to find it. I'll probably end up coming out here again with someone at some point. But it ain't gonna be anytime soon, seeing as I just made a trip.
Alright guys, we're about to call it for this video. Old Car City was great. I'm having a little bit of issues down here. I don't know what the heck's going on, but I had to switch to the old camera to be able to film this outro because I keep getting corrupted footage and my lights just act weird down here. I wonder why it keeps corrupting my files. If y'all may know, let me know down below in the comments. I'm thinking of maybe doing a video down here at some point. But yeah, Hope y'all enjoyed Old Car City. We are going back. Should be soon. But yeah, definitely Old Car City again. If y'all enjoyed it, go down there, leave a like, comment down below if y'all seen anything I didn't see. Just want to say something, got some questions. Be sure to subscribe, hit that all notification bell. We're only putting out videos once a month right now. That's all I can do. But if y'all want to see me in more content, or y'all want to see some engine content, some fabrication, some other stuff, come check me out, Flyin Brian's Garage, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the YouTubes. So I post once a week there. So all that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you guys on the next adventure.